Among the many tractors on the farm, Swaraj's small tractor was set to work harvesting maize. Surrounded by larger and more powerful machines, Swaraj stood out for his agility and reliability. As the first rays of sunlight began to illuminate the fields, Swaraj was already in full readiness. His engine purred softly as he set out for work, full of determination and ready for action. Once he got there, Swaraj began his work with gusto. His job was to pick the right corn kernels and load them onto a trailer. With precision and speed, he picked each kernel, checking carefully to make sure everything was harvested. Despite his size, Swaraj could work with incredible efficiency, leaving behind neatly harvested rows of corn. Everyone on the farm knew that Swaraj could always be counted on. His dedication and reliability made him a firm favorite, and his daily efforts were crucial to the success of the harvest. When the day was over, the little tractor would proudly return to the garage, knowing that it had once again proven its worth. While baling straw, an unexpected accident occurred. The tractor was working hard in the field, forming even bales of straw, when suddenly sparks started flying from the baler. In the blink of an eye, the dry hay caught fire, and the flames began to spread quickly. The tractor immediately drove away to a safe distance to prevent damage to the machine. Fortunately, the farm was always prepared for such situations. A specialized red and white tractor with a water tank and fire pump mounted on a trailer came to the rescue. The tractor sped towards the burning baler, raising clouds of dust into the air. Its engine roared, and the wheels rolled with force over the uneven surface of the field. As it approached the fire, the tractor slowed, precisely maneuvering to position itself for the rescue operation. An arm with a mounted fire extinguisher extended from the tank, ready to fight the fire. The fire was rising higher and higher, but the tractor, full of determination, began the extinguishing operation, spraying water on the burning baler. Was always ready for action, regardless of the time of day or the difficulty of the task. Early in the morning, the tractor received a call to a nearby farm where a barn had caught fire. Thanks to its special equipment, the tractor was able to quickly attach the appropriate equipment and go to put out the fire. After a successful firefighting operation and an intense storm that passed through the area, many trees were blown down, blocking roads and paths on the farm. The fire truck, equipped with a winch and a special loader, went into action. It easily removed the fallen trees, clearing the road and restoring access to the fields and buildings. The fire truck is always ready for action, whether it's the middle of the night or early morning. Regular inspections and careful maintenance ensure that its engine is always running at peak performance, and all systems are fully operational. Fire broke out in the field where a large straw baler was standing on the farm. All the people on the farm were alarmed, and the fire spread quickly, threatening the entire crop. Then a fire truck pulled onto the scene. Its red bodywork gleamed, and blue lights flashed on the roof. Without a moment's hesitation, it headed toward the burning press. But first it had to connect a large water tank. meadows and golden fields, lived a small tractor. Although it was not the largest or strongest, it was always ready to work and full of enthusiasm. Its red body gleamed in the sun and its wheels turned happily as it set off on another adventure. He eagerly entered the orchard, where baskets full of apples awaited him. One by one, he carefully placed them on his small trailer. When the trailer was full, the tractor slowly moved towards the fruit market. The road was bumpy, but the small tractor, with determination and precision, avoided all obstacles. Surrounded by golden fields, there lived a little red tractor named Max. Although he was the smallest tractor on the farm, his red paint always shone in the sun, and his engine ran quietly and smoothly. One day, as the harvest was approaching, Max saw that all the larger tractors were busy. They all had their own tasks. One was reaping the crops, another was turning the hay, and yet another was baling the straw. Max, although small, wanted to make himself useful. He decided to help in his own way. Max set out to the field, where he noticed that several small bales of hay had been left out. He knew that even such a small task was important. With precision, he drove up to the bales, picked them up one by one, and transported them to the storage room. The farmer was surprised at how much Max had done, despite his size. When the day was over, Max returned to his garage tired but proud. He knew that even though he was small, his work was just as important as that of the larger tractors. From that day on, Max became the hero of the farm, a red tractor that proved that it is not size that counts, but the heart to work. A tractor is a versatile agricultural machine that plays a key role in agriculture and other areas of the economy. It is a vehicle equipped with a powerful engine, designed to perform heavy work in fields and other places where moving heavy loads or operating specialized machinery is required. A tractor is primarily used for field work, such as plowing, sowing, fertilizing, and harvesting. Thanks to the possibility of connecting various machines, such as plows, seeders, cultivators, straw balers, or combines, the tractor becomes a versatile tool on the farm. In addition to field work, the tractor is used to transport trailers loaded with grain, hay, vegetables, and other materials, which facilitates the transport of crops and raw materials from the field to warehouses or to the market. A tractor is built with a powerful internal combustion engine, usually diesel, which provides the necessary power to perform heavy work. The power of the tractor engine can range from several dozen to several hundred horsepower, depending on the size and purpose of the machine. A strong chassis frame is the foundation of a tractor's strength, supporting all the major components, including the engine, gearbox, driveline, and axles. The gearbox allows you to adjust the speed and power to suit the task at hand, and modern tractors have advanced, automatic gearboxes with multiple gear ratios. Tractors have large, durable, deep-tread tires that provide good traction in a variety of terrain, and many tractors have four-wheel drive, for WD, for greater stability and power. Tractors are essential in agriculture and many other sectors due to their power, versatility, and durability. They are designed to perform a wide range of tasks efficiently, making them the foundation of modern farming and land management.